time. It's morning time. I gotta get up. Taking this dog out. With this little tight sweater. A little tight sweater. Mom wants him to wear all the time. I looked outside this morning and there's ice or snow. So I gotta go get a jacket from our car because it's still raining outside, so or still yeah, so get my jacket and take him out. Alright, here we go. And let me show you why we are shut down. Oh, this guy loves it. Yeah, so that's it right there. I don't even know if this is snow. I guess this will be. Yeah, I guess it'll be snow. It is cold out here though. Whew. Time to. He loves this weather. Yeah. I'm gonna run inside. It's too cold for me.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by.
Oh gosh, I know he wants to play, but I have to work right now. And so is Victoria. And I'm not gonna be a jerk to him. I'll bring him out later. It's gonna be like this for a couple of days, so I'll bring him out later so he can play. But for now, it's time to go to work. All right, little update. I'm actually taking Samson outside because let me show y'all something real quick. As we get closer. Samson, come on. It's a little bit harder to walk on this, but now yeah, my hair is freezing up right now. My beard is freezing up. Woo! It is cold. The little fox right here. Alright, I think I'm gonna go inside now because I gotta continue working. I just came out here because it started raining or snowing a little bit harder. Now this is snow. This is snow. I consider this snow. I'll bring him back out. It's gonna be a hard time trying to get him to come inside because he wants to be out here. He's been crying past couple hours to come outside. So, yeah, my hair is sticking up and it's just frozen. It's like crazy frozen. But I'll bring him back out so we can play in the snow some more. Like I said, it's gonna stay like this for the next couple of days, and yeah, hopefully the snow will kind of calm down. The weather is still the the wind. So, all right, guys, I'll be back later with Samson. All right, so it's getting worse actually. Son of a, my mother-in-law. Yeah, that's why I said bring some glasses, because in this episode it's going crazy. Your red boots. I don't have any socks on and my feet are cold. Just some red boots, I don't know if you can see it. Whew. Your glasses are...
I look like Ferris Bueller.
It's gonna be like this for a while. That's so awesome. Thank you. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Day one of our snowpocalypse, and yeah, we have a few more days and temperatures drop. Cross Samson back out for one last hurrah. And yeah, guys, so thanks for watching our videos, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.